Alright, here's the smoke alarm section at my local Walmart. So, obviously, there's no pre-ULT 17 alarms. I don't live and this is not the one in North Carolina, so there's no pre-ULT 17 alarms. Um, Hold on. That's weird. This Knox safety CO detector is down here. This is a battery operated model. This is the plug-in model. 60WLDR-W. Not a bad price. Can COB LP2. Can COPPB LPM. C3010. C3010D. Here's a open LPM. Just stash that back there. Can COB DP2. Here's one that's open. Here's one that has a dented box. Looks like people might be around, sneaking around here. That wouldn't be too good. Can't see OPP3. 20 SD10 and can COB LP2. 30 COD10. More of those. I think back here we might have some. Nope, these are all 30 COD crud 10s. Uh-oh. I see why. Hold on, let me fix that. There we go. There we go. Just place it there. Anyways, this is where the COARs would be. 30 COAR would be. AMIC1510SB. Some batteries. I don't know the models of those. Up here, we got these are very closely related alarms. AMIB 3051SCs. I think this is a similar alarm. Yeah, AMIK 3051SC. Similar to like an I-4718, basically. AMICH 3511SC. Couple of escape ladders. Fire extinguishers. Flame out. I'm gonna take y'all. Oh, 20 SAR. Couple of 20 SD10s back there too. Here's an SD10. AMI 1061SB. In fact, there's a couple more with the older box. Wonder, are any more right here? No. Alright, anyways. 20 SD10. More 20 SD10s, obviously. 20 SA10. So I'm thinking that there might be, around here, 20 SD10V, 20 SA10V. Maybe a couple of the talking alarms, too. And perhaps here, a 30 COAR-V. And right here, probably a 30 COD10V. Perhaps in between these, probably a 30 CUA10V. So, yeah. Oh, can COPP-3 as well. Now, I'm going to take y'all to my clearance aisle. Be back. Alright, back behind all this water tank are some P4010s. P4010 ACS-WF and ACS-AQ-WF. Alright. Hopefully y'all like this video. See ya.